Hello, ladies and gentlemen. Thank you very much for joining me today.
It's showtime!
Today, how's everybody doing out there? So, I want to get out there and I want to go fill my gas tank. I popped the actual piece down here below. And we all know to shut our car off, right? So we shut our car off. We got that annoying ding. How do we get rid of it? Oh yeah, it's a single finger press right here, this button. Press it once, problem solved. How sweet is that? To get rid of that ding. So now when you want to be on your way, you simply get in the car, fasten your seatbelt, and off. Off you go by starting the car and having a great day. Enjoy, everybody.